Consolsys, we started our operations in July of 1999. Set up the company by a group of ex-senior management of Oliaei, Malaysia. Initially, we had our operations running in Malaysia, and over the past 18 years, we have moved to pretty much all of the countries in Southeast Asia. And plus, we have customers in Puerto Rico and Mexico. Currently, we are serving about 20 of the largest banks in our theater of operation. As an example, we have 7 of the largest or the top 10 largest banks in Malaysia as our customers. We have 6 of the largest banks in Indonesia, Philippines, Vietnam, Mexico, and the Caribbean islands as our customers. We started our operations with one purpose in mind, and that was to serve the financial services industry. And to do that, we had to come up with solutions that are world-class solutions, that are better than what was available in the industry at the time. And for that, we had to look for the best minds and the best talents anywhere we can find them. Our R&D and PMO shop is basically a United Nations. We have people from pretty much everywhere in the world. Currently, we are developing and delivering solutions based on our latest product, Mosaic Voyager, which we will share with you some information later. To do this, there are 2 important factors that we have to keep as our number 1 priorities. And it's kind of a contradiction because you cannot have 2 number 1 priorities, but the 2 are so interdependent that we consider both of them as our number 1 priorities. First is the customer. Without the customer, you have nothing to do. So that is our number 1 priority. But to do the best and serve the customer the best way, then you have to have the best people. And that also is our number 1 priorities. So we're constantly looking for the best minds at the same time that we're constantly looking for the banks who are willing to go to the extra miles and who want to be the trendsetters within their own industry. As I mentioned earlier, currently we have some of the largest banks as our customers, and we will continue to work with these banks as well as with other prospects to help them achieve their aspirations. Our customers' pains are our pains, and their achievements and aspirations are our achievements and our aspirations. So in that context, we have to be ready and available for them 24/7, because we never know when they would need some support from us, as the banking is now a 24/7, the banking services is a 24/7 initiative or activity. So as such, we have to constantly be available and at the service of our customers. FSI solutions today are a lot more complex than when they were 40 years ago or 39 years ago when I started working in this industry. And while they're complex internally, they have to be very easy for the user. And there is a contradiction there. How do you make a very complex system to look very easy to its users? There has to be a lot of interoperabilities. The banks have many silo applications. So whatever we provide to the banks has to be able to cooperate and interface with all these silo applications. At the same time, the more you do, the costlier the system becomes. So the total cost of ownership also becomes a factor in what we're providing, and we have to ensure that what we provide to our customers are in line with the socio-economics of the country that we provide the solution for. Most of our customers today are in Southeast Asia. What is expensive in one country in Southeast Asia could be quite cheap in another country in Southeast Asia. So we cannot have a one price fits all strategy. We have to be mindful of what is affordable by a bank in one country versus by a similar bank in another country. So this gives us challenges on how to design, develop, deliver solutions in various countries while keeping to the socio-economic costing or total ownership costing of the solution for those countries. That's where we end up, and we have to set up operations in different countries to be able to use the economics of scale and the economics of locality in various countries in order to be able to deliver solutions that are affordable in every country that we propose our solutions and services.